Hi, so today I'm going to show you what I'm doing with my starter. I am on day 8. You can see it rose just the tiniest bit. So I'm going to show you how I've been doing my measurements because some people seem to be confused about that. So I'm actually in this tiny little jar. I started with this giant jar. Then I realized I needed a smaller jar. I went to this jar. And then I moved to this little jar because you don't really need a lot of starter from what I'm finding out. You just need a tiny bit. So anyway, I take my little bowl. I actually change it to a clean jar. So I'm going to use this clean jar today because I don't want anything on the sides. I don't want to get any mold. This is number 5, okay? Number 1, 2, and 3, they didn't make it, mostly because I gave up. Number 4, I burned in the oven when I preheated for lasagna. So this is number 5. So I'm going to take this little bowl and I'm going to tare it on my scale, right? So it's at 0. So then when I take my starter out, I'm going to stir it up. It's kind of gooey and it's like, I don't know what it is. It looks like weird. I'm going to go for about 20. I'm going to try for 20 grams right here. It's really like boogers. That's 20. Okay, so there's 20 of that. Let me grab another spoon. And then I'm going to tare my scale again back to 0. So it's really easy. Then I get my warm water. I'm using warm filtered water from the fridge. Is it too warm? No, it's not too. It's pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to get 20 grams of water. Whoops. Oh, shoot. It's going everywhere. Okay. The water, you got to be careful because water's heavy. So it's heavier than the flour. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's 20 grams of water. And then today I'm actually going to use 20 grams of wheat flour just because I'm kind of getting excited because I saw a little rise yesterday. So I'm hoping that maybe if I use a little wheat flour. Oh, I've got to tare it again. See? So I go back to 0. So that makes it so easy. I'm not trying to do any math while I'm doing this. I don't like math at all. So I want it to be easy. So we're at 12, 16, 20. There we go. 21. So that's some King Arthur whole wheat flour. So now I have my stuff in here. You can see I'm going to mix it up. And you know, my first 3 starters, they were not good. They didn't do a whole lot, and I kind of gave up. Probably one, I think number 2 lasted me about 2 weeks. And I just, you know, I gave up because I thought this is not working. You know, really, why is nothing happening? And now I'm finding out it can take 4 to 6 weeks for your starter to really become active and good to cook with. So look at this. Look, it's like, it's pretty darn thick. So when I was doing it, the last time I was using cups, had a lot of starter, like way too much. And I was making it a lot thinner. Like I kept thinking like, oh, this is too thick. It shouldn't be gooey like this. So then I just take it and where's my spatula? Uh-oh, here it is. So I've got this little spatula that I've been using. I just want to make sure that all of my flour is wet, you know, and it's pretty thick, like a lot thicker than I thought. So here it comes. It's like goo, right? Like really gooey. I'm hoping with this wheat flour that I'm going to get a little more action today than I got. But that's it right there. Oh, where is my, I have this rubber band. I don't have any expensive sourdough equipment like a lot of people do. And then this goes on really loose, like all I've heard, someone told me that you want to let the bacteria in. I was like, dude, I don't want bacteria in my starter, but you want to be able to let the gases out, I guess. So I'm a newbie here. I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. I'm just listening to everybody on Sourdough for Beginners and just trying to see what's going on. So there we are right there. Looks really pretty today actually with the wheat flour in there. I've been using all purpose. I started with wheat and then I've been using all purpose. And today I'm going to do wheat just because I got a little action last night. I want to see if it perks up. So that's it. Whoops, there's my starter right there. I guess you can't really see it. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Bye.